Oh, 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 I can't live without you. Oh, oh, oh.
Hey everyone, so today I am getting my iPhone 11. It should be arriving like any minute now, so I'm very excited for this. This is the first phone that I have bought by myself. It's time for me to be more financially independent. So yep, I have just bought the iPhone 11. I got it off of mobiles.co.uk. I've got the 128 gigabytes of storage in the purple. And yeah, I just thought I'd do a little unboxing, setup and review kind of thing for you guys. My current phone is the iPhone 8, so I just have this one. I don't know if you can see all of my scratches, but I have quite a few like scratches on my phone, and then the back is a little bit cracked. The reason I went with this specific storage is because I've currently used 61.8 gigabytes of my 64, which is what I have on here. So obviously I need a little bit more for my next phone. Obviously I don't need all of the photos that are on there, but I need quite a lot of them. So I just thought it would give me room to grow for 2 years. I feel like I'm really rambling already. But yeah, so obviously I've got the iPhone 8, I'm going to the 11, so obviously, oh my god, I've said obviously too much. So I'm not going to have a Touch ID, it's going to be Face ID, and yeah, I'm excited because I've only got the one camera, I don't have portrait mode or anything, so it's going to be a really nice upgrade to this phone. I'm just waiting for it to arrive and I'll get back to you. Okay, I know this angle isn't the best, but look what has just arrived. So I did just take it out of the packaging because it's easier. I've also got my SIM card. So I've never been with EE, but I went with them because they were the best price. I also got it a little bit cheaper with Student Beans. I feel like it's time to unbox. Open this up. So now they have the little pull tabs. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Here it is. Okay, I've tried to make that a little bit neater. So here is the box. Let's open it up. Okay, it's so pretty. I'm really sad that my cases and stuff haven't arrived yet. So you can see here the difference between the two actual, like, the lenses on the cameras. Can you see the size differences? Even though this is 2, each individual camera is actually bigger than my current one. The size difference is pretty hefty. Actual phone out. Oh my gosh, it feels so nice. I'm just going to pop it down. Okay, so we've just got the general papers and the Apple stickers. I'm actually going to need to read up on this because honestly I don't really know how to use it. We've got the SIM thing, although I've got like 2 in my cupboard. The charger head. The earbuds, which I never really use but I still keep them anyway, and obviously the charging cable, and then obviously I've got my EE SIM card. So I'm going to put all of this to the side now, and again, like, oh my goodness, I'm so scared to pick this up. This is the difference. I'll just take the case off. So here are the 2 phone size differences. As you can see, they are like pretty decent in size. I love the 2 cameras. I think they look amazing. And if I just show you the screens, obviously this is going to be so much bigger for me because, I mean, if I lower it, that's like how much bigger the screen is. So yeah, I'm very excited. I'm scared to get it dirty because I don't have a screen protector or a case for it until next week. So I'm just going to have to be really careful. New phones really scare me because I feel like they're such an everyday thing that you use, but it's like if I break it, I'm going to cry because I have to pay for it. English. Select your region. I don't know if it's United Kingdom or England. Okay, so now I'm going to set up Face ID because I don't have Touch ID. Okay, continue. Let's set this up. Okay, so now it's finally started to transfer the data. The thing I'm going to find the weirdest is like the little cutout. I just think that's so weird. The phone doesn't feel too much bigger. It does feel a little bit wider. I don't know how much wider it is. Oh, it's literally like the tiniest bit wider, if you can see that there. I think it's a tiny bit taller as well. And obviously the screen is a lot bigger just because it literally fills up the entire thing. I have ordered a couple phone cases. This one here being the most expensive, which I'm really looking forward to see. I then ordered a couple others as kind of like backup cases, and just as a change, so I ordered this one and this one. So yeah, they were all off of eBay, and then I've also ordered a screen protector off of eBay, which was like $1.99. I've never had a screen protector on any of my phones, but this one is really scratched, and I mean, I'm paying for this, and I would just rather have the precaution of it not smashing. Yeah, I'm not getting the most protective case, but it'll be fine for like what I'm doing. I think it's got about 18 minutes to finish transferring the data. This is just what it looks like, and then obviously it's the same on here. So I'm just going to finish watching Grey's Anatomy for a little while. Okay, so it's just finished setting up. It's just doing literally the final thing. It's just turned off and on again. So that's good. I need to wait for my dad to get home so he can contact my old phone thing about the pack code, and then I can see about getting my phone number transferred over. It's going to be weird to get used to begin with. Oh, I want to change my screensaver. It just looks so dull on my new phone. Okay, I need to figure out what screensaver I want. Okay, I'm going to change my lock screen as well because it is this, and I love the photo, but it's just really old now. Okay, so it is much later now. If I just screen record, it will make life a little bit easier. This is basically what my lock screen is. I just found it on Google Images. I really liked it. I just slightly adjusted the colours. I tried quite a few different ones, but they just didn't really... They weren't that crisp, but this one is like a very good quality image. And then I also set that as just my home screen as well. I think it's really, really nice. I've not sorted through anything yet, but this is basically what the phone is looking like. Yeah, I want to sort through everything and like rearrange the apps a little bit just to kind of make a little bit more sense because it's got a little bit cluttered. Yeah, I need to, later on I'm going to get the pack code from my dad about my old phone because he's the one who had been like sorting all of that out. But yeah, that is it. I think I'm going to end this video here. I don't really have anything else to talk about. Everything's looking really, really nice. It looks very crisp and clear. I don't actually know if there is a difference. There maybe is. Yeah, I think the colours just look a lot more vibrant compared to the 8. And obviously, like, things are different because I need to get used to doing this. Which I should probably, like, just clear everything away. But yeah, I've just kind of been playing around with it. I had a little go with the camera. I don't know if yeah, I've just got my little boy. Qualities are really, really nice. These were some of the other thingies I tried as my lock screen, but I don't know if you can see, they're just not quite crisp enough. But this one I really, really love. So this was the original version. Is this the original? Let's have a look. Revert. Just see the before and the after. See, so I just made it a little bit more pink and a little bit more suited to me. That's pretty much everything. I don't have anything else to say. I'm just really excited to get to use it and get a case on it so I don't have to be scared to hold it. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you guys soon with another one. Don't forget to click the links down below to my other unboxing videos. Bye!
I can't breathe without your love.